Russia is the second biggest weapons exporter, which holds 20% share of the international arms exports. Its weapons are known for great combat effectiveness for a much lower price than that of the competitors. In today's Russia Defense series, we'll talk about the powerful S-500 long-range air defense and anti-ballistic missile system. I'm your host Isev, and welcome to Defense and Geopolitics. The S-500 faced significant delays. Russia have declared its design development completed in 2011, but has pushed its serial production from 2014 to 2017 to 2021, and most recently to 2025. Russia may be purposely delaying the S-500 induction to keep production lines available for the S-400 and continue exports. The S-500 is not an upgrade of the S-400, but rather a new design. It uses a lot of new technology and is superior to the S-400. It was designed to intercept ballistic missiles. It is planned to have a range of 500 to 600 kilometers and hit targets at altitudes as high as 40 kilometers and detect targets up to 1,300 kilometers away, as you can see here. Some sources claim that this system is capable of tracking 5 to 20 ballistic targets and intercepting up to 5 to 10 ballistic targets in the same time. It can defeat ballistic missiles traveling at the speed of 5 to 7 kilometers per second. It has been reported that this air defense system can also target low orbital satellites. It is planned that the S-500 will shield Moscow and the regions around it. It will replace the current A-135 anti-ballistic missile system. The S-500 missiles will be used only against the most important targets, such as intercontinental ballistic missiles, AWACS, and jamming aircraft. The S-500 will carry various missiles. These missiles will have various ranges and will be used against different targets. In 2009, a 40N6 long-range air defense missile was ready for testing. In 2021, another missile, which could be the 77N6, was launched during testing against a high-speed ballistic missile. The system features 4 radar vehicles per battery, including the 91N6E S-band acquisition radar, the 96L6 TSP C-band acquisition radar, the 76T6 multimode engagement radar, and the 77T6 anti-ballistic missile engagement radar. This system has a brief reaction time. It has been reported that the S-500 can launch missiles within 10 minutes from traveling. Also, it can be considered as a survivable system, as after launching its missiles, it can briefly redeploy. In June 2021, Russian media reported that the S-500 would be equipped with interceptors capable against hypersonic weapons. With analyzing all the data, you can clearly see that the S-500 is way ahead of his counterpart, the US-built Patriot PAC-3, with more radar detection range, missile engagement range, and being able to destroy hypersonic missiles and LEO satellites makes it the best current anti-air system to date. Again, here are some facts about the S-500. Thank you for watching the video. Give it a like or a dislike if you didn't like it, and tell us in the comments below what you would like to see next. Subscribe to be tuned, and see you in the next video.